Amra says that a Jewess came to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and asked her a question and then said, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu save you from the grave torment." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that she asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Will the people be tormented in graves?" Amra says that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu keep us secured." Next day, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out riding a mount and the sun got eclipsed. That very day, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, "I along with other women from behind the apartments came into the mosque, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam alighted from the mount and made for the place where he sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to perform the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam started performing the prayer and the people also started performing the prayer in his lead." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed an extremely long standing. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed an extremely long bowing. Then after raising the head from the bowing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed an extremely long standing, but it was shorter than the previous standing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then observed an extremely long bowing, but it was shorter than the previous bowing. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his head from the bowing while the sun had become bright. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "I have seen that you people in your graves will face the trial like the trial of Antichrist." Amra says that she heard Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha say, "I observed that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter would seek the refuge of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against hell and grave torment." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2095.